Hi everyone. Today I want to show you, it's a problem that I've just had. I guess you could call it a problem, but I want to use this as a learning situation, a teaching situation. So these are some ornaments that I just did for a shop. And as I folded them back and did the edging, you can see that you can't see any of the weaver's cloth on the edges. These were sent to me already punched, and they asked me to put a wool backing on them. This is for a shop, but somebody else punched them. I don't know who it was, but I have been given permission to show these as an example. So the lines, let me see if I can show you. See the space between their punching rows? And let's see if we can show it. It's harder to see on that one. Maybe here on the red, you can see the space. So what happens, this is something that I'm punching, and you see there's no space between those rows. So what happens is I turn the sides back. They had already been cut in circles, so there was nothing I could do with them to change this. When I turned it back, let me see, right there you can see the weaver's cloth. Separate it. And see that there? Not the back part, but in between the rows, it actually, see, it has a row of weaver's cloth there. And it's pretty obvious, probably more so in person that it is. See that row right there where they separate it? The reason that it's doing that is because the outer edge, these first few rows here, were not close enough together. So when you're punching and you're doing your border around the edges, make sure that those first, I want to say probably 1/8 to 1/4 of an inch, that those rows are really close together. You don't want to go over top of your other row because you'll push the threads out, but you do want to go right next to it. So you can see how close mine are. I've heard the term tight puncher and loose puncher, and I guess I'm a tight puncher because there's no space between my rows. So when you can see on these, when I turn them back, you can't see the weaver's cloth, and that's why. So keep that in mind when you're making something that is going to be folded back, which is just about everything. When you fold them back, they may separate just like that. So there should be another row of punching in between those two rows. All right, that's it for today. Enjoy your punching. See you on the next video.